finna have a good time, you know. Them bumbuck like them are watching. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to show you this hair I received from a company, and it's a hair company, and the package just was so beautiful. Like, it's gorgeous. I like the pink color that it came in, and I like the way the bag is designed. There's a zip in the front, and yeah, Youth Beauty hair. They sell 100% natural hair, and this one here is a Brazilian wavy, and it is a wig, is a 360 wig, and it's very nice. In the bag you also see this net wig cap, and also some accessory. This is a rubber band and some, you know, extra pins, combs that you can fix inside if it's not. I really love it. And so this is what the hair looks like when it comes out outside the packaging. And this hair is really nice. It's soft, the color is natural color, and there's a comb at the back, 2 in the front and 1 in the middle, yeah, like so. And it's a 360 wig, like I said, and the front of this hair is already pre-plucked. It is amazing. I didn't even work on this hair at all, so I'm just trying to see the fit on my head before I can go ahead and wear it. And this hair fits me like this wig is made for my head. Like, the size is just what I need. It's so perfect, and so I love it. So I'm going to go ahead and see how I can, you know, work on this hair and wear it and come and show you the final look. I hope you continue watching this video to see how I achieve that look. And yeah, every information about this hair is down in the description box down below, and the link to this particular wig also is down in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Yeah, this lace is also nice and brown. I didn't bleach the lace because I know that it will almost fit me. I wanted to see how the baby hair will look like. So yeah, when I tried, you know, spraying water on it, and also some mousse, and I used in the front to see how that will be, and it's perfect like so. So what I'm going to do next is for me to cut away the lace at the back, because when I'm wearing this hair it will be difficult for me to cut it by myself. So I went ahead and cut the lace at the back. Then when I'm wearing the hair, I'm going to cut the front part.
Let's go. Auntie Nico, come on, brother Nico, come on, sister Nico, come on, uncle Nico, come on. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, make we celebrate.
So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to wear a stocking cap under. So when you're doing this, it's good to use a matching foundation or powder that you have to, you know, dab on the cap to give it the color. For some reason I used my foundation, and under the cap it kind of was looking dark, but naturally without the lighting I'm using is my color, but under the light it was showing me like one kind of color, but no problem. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to go ahead and cut off the front. If you are cutting off the front of the lace in the front like this, you have to make sure that you spray in water and push all the hair to the back, so that you don't cut away the hair, especially the baby hairs in the front. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. So after that, I'm going to make sure that I cut a little bit from this angle so that my ear can fit in. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm going to do on both sides of the ear. So for securing the front lace, I'm going to use Got to Be glue, the clear one, to do that, and I'll let you watch to see how I do that. Yeah, and I'll come back to talk to you.
Let me be your man tonight, and I just wanna be the one you like. Money, go far, like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Money, go far, like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Oh. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, and make you move. Make you dance, and make you move. Ibadi elulu, gong gong, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, gong gong, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Baby oh, baby oh, baby oh. I just want you to be my lady, yeah. What God has joined together, let no man put us under, yeah.
So after waiting for a while, I came back to see the result of the front, and yeah, I'm trying to clean up any makeup or anything that is not supposed to be in the front there, like any leftover of the glue and all that. I'm cleaning that off gradually, and now I need to glue down the back and also the side, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So for the back, I can just leave it and wear this hair like this, but I decided to, you know, wear this hair in a ponytail. I actually wore this hair out like 3 to 4 times on like 3 to 4 days, you know, in a ponytail, and I was so proud of this wig. This wig actually is like really nice because of the fitting of the cap. Everything was just perfect. So if you are going to glue down the back of your hair, you make sure that you put it in a pony like so. That's what I'm doing now. I'm going to put this hair in a ponytail and see how I can glue down the back. This was not difficult at all. I'm using the Got to Be spray for this part, you know, so I'm going to spray in enough amount of this, and I begin to use my hand to press down the lace and some of the little baby hairs there onto my, what's it called, onto the back of my head, you know, like so. And I also make sure I do repeat the same thing on the sides, you know. And this was so quick and easy, you know. I'm going to do the side now so that I can have my 360 lace, you know, installed on my head properly. You can see how flat the hair is under the back there. So I'm going to leave the hair down. I try to straighten the front a little bit if possible, you know, because I wasn't feeling the curls. I wanted to just make it straight a little bit, not bone straight, just giving it some straight vibes like so. So yeah, I use the stocking rope. I normally cut off my stocking leggings, like to tie down my head. So I use it also to tie down the back, you know, like you can see, so that it can dry very well. Then I went ahead and did the baby hairs. So I'm trying to check what I'm doing because I wasn't looking at the mirror. So you can see how it dried and how nice that is. So I'm going to clean off the remaining glue that is there, and this is how I lay my back, and this is so nice. It looks natural and it looks lovely. So yeah, that is the end of this video. This hair is very nice, and I like the installation is very quick and easy for me. I didn't encounter any kind of trouble at all. So yeah, thanks so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and then bye guys.
Standard.